We did our fair share of research for kitchen tools, and we were kind of shocked by how many people gave up on making their food because of those stubborn food bits on their frying pans. We live in a very busy time where anyone's time really matters, so that it all makes perfect sense to use. And that is exactly why we just had to do the heavy lifting and bring you the best non-stick frying pans on the market right now. First of all, the best non-stick frying pans will give you more than just a slick surface. They go the extra mile with features like durable coatings that can tackle daily use and distribute heat evenly. These options also require little to no oil, so they are also the healthier choice. That said, make sure to use our links because they will take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's get going right now. Number 6. Ninja CW60030. We'll get this show on the road with the Ninja CW60030, our top pick for anyone on a strict budget, still seeking a non-stick pan that won't skimp on quality. The very first thing that we noticed here are the comfortable grip handles. These are made from silicone and they keep things cool with a non-slip grip to make your stovetop cooking a breeze. There is no need for mitts, even when things heat up. Speaking of heating up, this pan gets the job done fast. Like shockingly fast for the listed price tag. It has a 2.8mm aluminum base that heats evenly and quickly. This is a big deal when you're in a rush to get dinner on the table. And yes, many of the more affordable pans can have annoying hot spots, but not this one. The Ninja just makes sure that your food cooks uniformly. We should also talk about the Never Stick technology. This isn't your average non-stick coating. No, this thing is superheated and it won't stick, chip, flake, none of that bad stuff. You can cook yourself a cheesy omelet without having to worry about half of it clinging to the pan. The exterior of this pan is another win. It's just glossy and easy to clean. All you need is a quick wipe and any mess will disappear. Also, this model is 100% dishwasher safe. In terms of versatility, the pan can move from stovetop to oven. Specifically, it handles temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This model is also compatible with all types of stovetops, and yes, induction is included in the mix. That is a rarity among the lower cost alternatives, guys. For the listed price tag, we are beyond impressed with this model. Number 5. Imarku Cast Iron Skillet. Up next, we're still focused on value, and the Imarku cast iron skillet is hands down the best value option on the market right now. This model sports a top-tier honeycomb non-stick technology. In short, you will say goodbye to the frustration of food sticking. The design is unique because it has this textured surface for even distribution of your oil. This way, you can use less oil while cooking any of your favorite dishes. And that's not all, guys. The innovative design of the skillet combines a structure that is thin-walled yet thick-bottomed. The point is to offer that enduring durability of a traditional cast iron without the cumbersome weight that comes with it. The pan will heat evenly and retains heat longer, which is of course perfect for everything from searing steak to sautéing vegetables. Uneven heat spots are a serious issue among frying pans right now, and this skillet bypasses the problem in style. We also like the ergonomic handle very much. It's double riveted to deliver extra stability and it stays cool even when the pan is hot. This is a massive safety advantage too, especially if you're cooking a lot of stuff. The hanging hole is another thoughtful addition for easy storage. But cleaning up is a true highlight. A thick rinse with water and mild detergent is all it takes, and it's ready for its next use. The scratch-proof and rust-proof qualities secure the pan will stay looking fresh no matter how often you cook with it. It's compatible with all cooktops too, including induction. Number 4. Analon X Hybrid Skillet 12-inch. Okay, so if durability is your top priority in a non-stick frying pan, the Analon X Hybrid Skillet 12-inch is the one. The SearTech technology grabbed us right out of the gate with this model. It's a nifty feature that combines an innovative base with a stainless steel mesh. The result is that oils are concentrated in the center of the pan for that perfect caramelization and browning. This is something you usually expect from a cast iron, not a non-stick pan. And yes, it's a must for cooking an exceptional steak. The base of the skillet has a distinct construction using thick stainless steel. It stays perfectly flat and delivers an even heat distribution across any cooktop, including induction. You simply won't have to deal with pesky hot spots that can ruin a dish, and that's all. Another impressive feature is the seamless surface. It is designed with ultra-durable non-stick and flush rivets. This makes it super easy to clean and also means your food just glides off the pan. And yes, you can use metal utensils without worrying about scratches on this one, a rare advantage in our book. High heat tolerance is also included in the mix, going up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The pan is dishwasher friendly and backed by a limited time warranty. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. Number 3. Made in Cookware Pro Coat 12-inch. Let's dive into the premium tier now with the Pro Coat 12-inch model from Made in Cookware. As you might have expected, this model is built to handle the heat. You can easily sear or roast dishes at up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. In more specific terms, this means you can achieve that perfect steak sear or even roasted veggies without worrying about damaging the pan. Any of the standard nonstick pans on the market right now simply don't offer this high heat capacity. But one of our favorite practical features has to be the Stay Cool handle. It's just completely hollow, which is very smart because the handle doesn't heat up like traditional models this way. Very effective yet so simple. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. And of course, the nonstick coating is another big win. There are 2 layers of PTFE on this model, so you can dive straight into oil-free cooking without any health worries. The slick surface will also make cleaning up a breeze. All it takes is a quick wipe and you're mostly done, guys. When it comes to durability, the Pro Coat really shines. And it has a stainless clad base and a long-lasting non-stick coating, meaning that the pan outlasts ceramic competitors for a very long shot. And it's proudly made in the USA from premium materials. We are looking at a high-end premium tier product here, so if you can treat yourself to this beast, all we can say is go for it, guys. Number 2. Alva Maestro. Okay, listen up now. If you want versatility, a non-stick frying pan that can follow you on any culinary adventure, the Alva Maestro is the one for sure. First of all, the superior non-stick performance is an easy highlight. You can't imagine how easy it is to clean this thing up, almost as easy as cooking with it. You'll be flipping a perfectly cooked omelet, the one that slides right out of the pan without any mess. Then, the Alva Maestro is built to last. It's crafted using a durable ceramic coating that's completely free from harmful chemicals. But again, what sets this pan apart is its versatility. From a quick breakfast to tackling a gourmet dinner, the pan transitions oh so seamlessly from stovetop to oven. This means you can start by searing meat on the stove and finishing it off in the oven without changing cookware. That is absolutely not something to be found in the more affordable pans. Design-wise, this thing is both durable and stylish. It offers excellent heat conductivity for even cooking. You won't be dealing with annoying hot spots, that's for sure, and the sleek look will fit right into any kitchen with a touch of elegance. Also included in the mix is the ergonomic handle. It stays cool and you get peace of mind. Quality stuff, that's for sure. Number 1. Hexclad Hybrid. And now we present to you the Hexclad Hybrid, your new kitchen hero, the best nonstick pan on the market right now, and yes, the clear winner for today. This pan comes out with guns blazing, using a patented hybrid technology that combines tri-ply construction. That would be aluminum sandwiched between 2 layers of stainless steel. Okay, but what does this mean for you exactly? We get the most even heat distribution of aluminum materials combined with the durability of cast iron, all wrapped up with the easy cleanup of nonstick and neatly rolled into one. It's true that affordable models in this category will only offer 1 or maybe 2 of these qualities, but not the Hexclad. This thing gives you the best of all worlds. We're looking at a laser-etched, hexagonal nonstick surface here, and it's exactly where the magic happens. The design doesn't just look cool, oh no, it ensures food doesn't stick. You might be cooking a delicate fish fillet or an omelet, and you even might be having it slide right off the pan. It will all happen without any residue left behind. That's just the kind of convenience Hexclad offers. In terms of versatility, this pan doesn't care if you're using gas, electric, or an induction cooktop. Hexclad simply has you covered. This model is also scratch-resistant and dishwasher-safe, and it can also handle oven temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can start a dish on the stove and finish it in the oven without having to switch cookware. That is just 100% something that isn't possible with lower-grade nonstick pans. The pan is backed by a lifetime warranty. Overall, this model delivers multiple layers of premium performance, all wrapped up in the best possible price-quality ratio we can think of. You looked for the best? This is the one. That's a wrap for this one, guys. Now let us know in the comments section. Are you looking for a non-stick fry pan that offers a lot of versatility, or do you just want the top bang for the buck in the budget range? Like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful, and have a good one.